Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I wanted to do like a really nice spring look, but with a little bit of a twist to it. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yeah, like, make comments, ring the bell, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get going. Okay, so here's the twist. I love watching Alex Annalie. I'll put a picture of her right here. She is stupendously gorgeous. Not only is she gorgeous, but she's so friggin' talented. But anywho, about a month ago, she did, I'm going to show you a picture of her right over here. I'm sure everybody knows her. Let me see. There you go, Alex. She's so friggin' beautiful and she's so damn talented. But anyway, so a month ago, she wanted to do like a spring look, but it was all, let me see here. Let me get it for you. Hold your filthy drawers on. Basically, she titled it Spring Makeup That's Not Too Pretty. Let me just show you a little bit of her video.
I don't even know what shape I would call this, but you've all seen it. And if you're new, that's it. You know what I'm saying? So just like, this is just my quick and easy base. Beautiful color. Blending it out.
So beautiful. Let me just show you like the end product. Everything is beautiful and dewy and delicious, but she uses a lot of like just lavender. Let me just show you the final look. Girl, stop it right now. Look how friggin' beautiful. Let me come close to you. I hope you don't, there's not like a, look at that. Anyway, that's what we're going to try to attempt. Girl, we're going to try, sister. We're going to super duper try. So I'm going to, of course, be looking down here to see. I don't have the same products that she does. I'm not looking to do the same products. I was just thinking, you know, spring look is a spring look. By the way, a spring look is going to come out in a couple of videos from now. But I really want to try something different. Let me just pull my hairdo back. And, yeah, we're going to pull the hairdo back. I'm going to just go in with an eye base. I love the Rare Beauty, so I'm going to just put that on. Did I bring a mirror? Nah, girl. Yeah, well, I did, but it's 5,000 miles away. So I'm going to just grab this little mirror right over here. I don't know. I think I have like a hive or some kind of a red bump there. I just noticed it this morning. But, yeah. So I have a little bit of bump, a little bit of a red bump on my eyelid. Okay, so I figured let's do the eyes first. My first thought when I saw this video is this new Natasha Denona palette. This is the Natasha Denona Love Face palette. Mostly because people were having such a hard time with this blush right over here. Because I think it runs kind of more purplish on most people. So I figured, girl, this was my first thought. My second thought, of course, was the Mel Thompson, the Tiny Marbles with Sydney Grace, because she's got this beautiful lavender color right over here, which is called Jewel B. She does her face products first, but I'm going to do the opposite, girl, because, you know, I may make a mess. Okay, so already screwing up. I thought that I was videotaping, but I was not. She did her face products first, but I decided to do the eyes because I may make a mess. So I did go in on the whole eyelid with Jewel B right over here. So let me re-demonstrate. So I did just put it all over my eyelid. This eye, yeah, I'm getting hives all over my eyelids today, but they just pop up wherever. Oh my God, here comes the sun. They just pop up anywhere they want. That is so friggin' pretty. Damn it, she is so gorgeous. I can't stand it. So then what she does she put any eyeliner on? Let me see if does she tight line. I know I'm jumping the gun here, but she does very simple. She actually made up her own eyeshadow, I think. She just mixed a couple things. Damn it, she's so pretty. Let me just look real quick if she puts any...
I want that vibe.
If she
now
puts,
I'm picking up this beautiful shade.
She's got a little shimmer on there.
Really, honestly,
the blush. Okay, she has like absolutely no eyeliner on at all. But I think I may like tight line later on. Okay, so that is super duper cute. And then she takes the same color down to her lower lashes. So I'm going to take this BK Beauty. This is in 209. And I'm going to take the same color and I'm going to just go underneath my eye. You know what? Now that I was thinking about it, I'm going to hold off on that because I want to do my face products next. I will take this brush though, and I'm gonna mix Bugaboo and Love Bug, these two colors right over here, just to mix it, because she does make this she just makes this a little bit darker. Let's just leave the eyes like that for now. Let's start doing some complexion. I'm gonna go in, her face is so beautiful and so glowy, so I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist mist. I love that because it's got like a little bit of an oil base here, and it leaves my skin so friggin' beautiful and dewy. I'm gonna just shake it a little bit. Spray-a-rooney. Spray, spray, spray. I'm gonna just do a little bit of spot concealing. Girl, I haven't grabbed the age rewind, the normal one. Look at that. Can you see? I have barely anything left. That's how much I used to love this color. It's light pale. I know I'm a little bit tan, not much, but I just got back from Miami. Probably when this goes up, I don't know, a few weeks ago. But I'm gonna just give you a full disclosure from my experience personally. No matter how much vitamin C and discoloration serums and blah, blah, blah you put on, for me personally, so don't come at me, as soon as the sun is out, as soon as summer hits, no matter if I put 70 on, a hat, glasses, a scarf, the minute the sun hits my face, they come right out. So my hyperpigmentation in a few of those spots are coming out like mad, girl. Okay, so I'm going to just spot conceal just a few of those, not much. Now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Liquid Filter. This one is in shade 3. It may look a little light, but you know we're gonna bronze it all up. I think I'm gonna go in with my hands. Then I'm gonna go in just with a dampened sponge, just to make sure all the product is dispersed properly. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Ooh, that is so nice. Love it, love it. We're gonna go in with the we're gonna keep it light, girl, because it's springtime. We're gonna keep it super light. This is the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. This is also in 2.3, like a light color. This is how much I'm loving it. You see that? I picked up these pumps on Amazon. I will link them below because I can't stand the dropper. Just a little bit, because I really don't want all this dewiness and this glow to be hidden. And I'm going to go in with the sponge, because you get like a lighter coverage with a sponge than if you would use a brush. Okay, I really didn't need 2 pumps. Look how much I have left over, right? I think this is perfect. Okay, that looks so pretty. Ooh, I love this glow. Okay, gonna go in real quick with some concealer, and I've been loving the Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish in C3. Tiny bit. I like to use my e.l.f. Camo Sponge Dry just to blend that in. I love this little thing. It's so great. That's beautiful. Okay, girl, you know what? Let's just go in with the rest of the products. We're going to just speed this up a little bit. So I just picked up the Rare Beauty Contour Stick, the newer color. This one is in Bright Side. I have 2 of her other ones that I adore, but this color is beautiful. The tone is super cool. I really, really love it. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, that is so pretty. Okay, so let's go in with this blush. Again, I know it's very controversial, and I get it. I'm going to use the butt of my sponge. That's the way I like to use cream products. Let's go up high first. Yeah, you see how, like, I don't know if you could tell. Let me just grab more of the product. And just, you see how it's got a little bit of a purple hueish? I think it's going to look beautiful for what we're looking to achieve, right? So I'm going to just go on the apples of my cheek, on the tip of my nose, and I'm going to go super close to my eyes. That is so friggin' pretty. I'm thinking, because, you know, I'm trying to think out of the box, Alex, just like you do. I'm really thinking I may take my Refer brush and I may go into the Tiny Marvels. I may go into Jewel B and put a little bit on my cheek. Can we try that? Why not, right? That's interesting. I like it though. That's really nice. Okay, let's go back in. Let us go back in with the blush. Just want a little bit more on the cheek to really let that color stand out. Damn, that's pretty. Okay, let me set my under eyes real quick, and then let's finish the eyes. Listen, she does this fantabulous wing light. Girl, you know how I feel about wings, but we're gonna try and make it more dramatic than I normally do. We're gonna try. Again, I'm gonna go back in with my dry sponge, make sure there's no creasing. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury brightening powder. Okay, let's finish the eyes. So I'm gonna go back in with this color right over here, and I think I'm gonna go, actually before I do that, I really want to do my inner corner. With what exactly? Let me think about it. So let's just go back in with that color. When I first got this Tiny Marvels, you know, of course I initially bought it because I wanted to support Mel. I believe it's still there, so you could always support her family. If you haven't used Sydney Grace products, you don't know what you're missing. Their formula is outstanding, so good. But anyway, so when I got it, I was like, you know, I'm not really a pastel kind of color, you know, the purple, then you got the green in the middle over there, and then you have like this flutter by here. I'm like, girl, I'm not really. I wore this purple right here, this Jewel B in an inner corner. It was so beautiful. I got so many compliments, and I think that's what we may do today. So yeah, I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to just go in my inner corner. And then we're going to zhuzh it. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. We're going to zhuzh. Okay, that's pretty so far. So we're doing that. What I grabbed was, where are you? I just had you. Okay, so I grabbed the Urban Decay Moon Dust in Space Cowboy because she's got this beautiful lavender shimmer, which I don't have, but I figured maybe we could have the same effect. We're gonna try. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. But you know what I think I'm gonna do? Now that I'm thinking, I think I'm gonna wet my brush. I think I'm gonna get a flat brush like this. I'm going to wet it, and I'm gonna go back into Jewel B, and I just wanna darken up just my moving eyelid. You see that? Yeah. Then I'm going to go back in with my other brush that we were using just to make that more cohesive. And actually, I think I'm going to wet my finger and go back into Moonstone because I really, really want to pick this up. Yeah, that looks good. Ooh, can you see that? That is so pretty. That's so pretty. So what I think I'm going to do is, I have the Jaclyn Hill highlighter that I love. This is an iced. So what I think I'm going to do is, I'm going to take that same color because it still has some of the lavender on there. And I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Look how pretty. So you still have like that shimmery look, but you have the lavender underneath. Ooh, isn't that so pretty? Ooh, I like that. While I'm here, you know, girl, I don't know what's gotten into me. Nice. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighter brush. Well, I can't find my highlighter brush. Where the heck did I put it? I'm going to just take this brush right over here and just do a little bit of highlighting. Look how pretty that is. I love this highlighter. Gorgeous. So, so pretty. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to step off camera. I'm going to tight line because I need a little zhuzh in my eyes. And I'm going to do some tight lining, mascara, eyebrows, and then we will do the lips together. I'll be right back. Okay, so the eyes are done. Look how pretty that looks. Doesn't it look so pretty? I just want to put, and I did spray my face because I like that. Look at that dewy, beautiful, glowy look. And I set with a little bit of the Rare Beauty powder just in the T-zone where I didn't want it to be too shiny, but I do love it out here. Look how pretty that is. I just want to go back in with a little bit more blush. Even though this blush was a little controversial, it came in handy, right? That is so pretty. That is really nice. Okay, let's do the lips, shall we? I just have a little bit of lip balm on. Just have, hi, sweetie pie. You snuck in and hanging out with mommy. Just a little bit of lip balm. Let me take that off. And of course, I thought the most appropriate color would be the Natasha Denona My Dream collection. I do have her I Need a Nude in Natasha. I also have the Lip Smackin'. If you see him, I swear. And I also have the gloss. I don't know if we're going to put all three of them on, but we're definitely going to, we'll have to sharpen that. Hold on a second. Darn it. Hold on. Okay. I'm going to go in with the Lip Smackin' stick. So beautiful. Look at that. That's gorgeous. So nice. And what I think I'm going to do is that I think I'm going to just take a little bit of the gloss. I'm going to just put it right over here. Just a tiny bit, just to give it a little bit of shine-a-rooney. Just a tiny bit. Yeah, right in the middle. And okay, let me just take the hairdo down and let's assess the situation. Oh my god, I think it came out so pretty. Hold on a second. Let me look. Hold on. I think it looks beautiful. Just a little bit of the similarities of the color schemes that we picked. So thank you, Alex, for giving me this idea. I think it came out so pretty. What do you guys think? Like, I normally would never wear like this lavender color. I think it looks so pretty. Okay guys, so that is it. This is my video of a spring look influenced by Alex. And yeah, what do you guys think? Leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.